What's up guys, this is Matt with NorCal Screen Print Supply. I'm gonna run you guys through some cleanup processes today from start to finish, from when you're done printing, removing ink, cleaning it with product, reclaiming, and dehazing and degreasing so it's prepped for next time. First thing I like to do is start with these cleanup cards. They're great. They have kind of like a shiny coating on them, kind of curve them, get a little bit more structure, and just scoop the ink off and put it back in the container. It stays good. Don't throw it away. If you're wasting ink, you're wasting money. Pretty affordable, like 22 bucks for 500 of them. They last a long time. So once you're done carting off the ink, for this process, we're gonna reclaim the screen. We're not cataloging it. So this is an ink wash for the washout booth to spray on, wash off with water to prep it for the emulsion remover, which would be the next step. So this is ready for use. You spray it on, spray it off. Next step, once you have all the ink removed, is the emulsion remover. This is our favorite here at the shop. It's the Enviro Strip. Dilutes 1 part chemical to 10 parts water. So on the handy dandy spray bottle here, there's a concentration little chart. If you ever forget, it's really easy. So about this much chemical on the bottom, fill the rest up with water, and then you're good to go. If you do have stubborn emulsion or stuff that's been sitting there a long time, you can boost it and make a little bit stronger chemical and kind of just melt the emulsion off. It works really well. So we have a clean screen, we have the emulsion removed from the screen. The next step is going to be to remove the ghost image. So once you're done printing, you'll see when we get to the demo, when we remove the emulsion, there's going to be a ghost image of what was printed. Pink stuff is our favorite here. It is a dehazer, degreaser combination product. So it's going to get rid of your ghost image and then degrease the screen, which will prep it for the next time you coat it with emulsion. So this is like, we sell 3 of them, the Enviro Haze, the pink stuff, and the liquid Renew It. If you have really stubborn stains, the Renew It is like that extra step. It's the most aggressive of the bunch. I mean, it's going to get it off there really well. And then yeah, basically that's how we do it. 3-step process: clean your ink, remove the emulsion, dehaze and degrease, and then you're ready to coat. So let's go show you how to do that.